How to take long scrolling screenshot in laptop Windows 10. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Then, go to the web page you want to capture. For this example, I've opened a Wikipedia page about United States. Before we begin, make sure to scroll all the way down the page once so the entire web page loads completely. This ensures your screenshot captures everything. Now, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. This will open the Developer Tools panel on the right side of your screen. At the top of that panel, you'll see a small device icon. It's called Toggle Device Toolbar. Click on it. Then, on the left side of the toolbar, click on the three dots to open more options. From the menu, select Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Wait a few seconds while Chrome processes it. And that's it. Your long screenshot will automatically download to your computer. And that's how you can easily take a long scrolling screenshot on any Windows 10 laptop using Google Chrome. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.